Ancient forests, with towering trees and rich undergrowth, hold secrets of Earth's past and present. These ecosystems support countless interdependent species, contribute to oxygen production, and inspire artists and scientists alike. Protecting such forests involves sustainable practices, legal frameworks, and community engagement worldwide to prevent irreversible loss.
Forests provide essential habitats for countless species, acting as biodiversity hotspots that maintain ecological balance. They regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, protect watersheds, and offer resources like timber and medicinal plants. Conservation efforts focus on preventing deforestation to sustain these complex ecosystems for future generations.
Digital privacy concerns have grown alongside widespread internet use, with data breaches and surveillance threatening personal freedoms. Advocating for stronger regulations, user education, and secure technologies is essential to protect individual rights and maintain trust in online services amid increasing dependence on digital platforms for daily activities.
Wild horses roaming free across vast landscapes embody a spirit of untamed nature and resilience. Their survival depends on healthy grasslands, water access, and protection from threats like habitat fragmentation. Efforts to conserve wild horse populations include balancing ecological impacts with preserving cultural heritage and wildlife diversity.
Riding horses requires understanding their behavior, body language, and needs to build trust and effective communication. From beginner lessons to competitive dressage, equestrian activities encourage discipline, patience, and empathy, while also providing physical exercise and mental relaxation for riders in both rural and urban environments.
Urban gardening has gained popularity as a way to increase local food production, reduce environmental footprints, and improve community health. Small-scale cultivation in city spaces, including balconies and rooftops, empowers residents to connect with nature, learn about nutrition, and contribute to food security while beautifying urban areas.
Mental health awareness campaigns are crucial for breaking stigma and encouraging people to seek support for conditions like anxiety and depression. By promoting open conversations, access to counseling, and self-care practices, societies can improve emotional well-being and foster environments where individuals feel valued and understood.
Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are increasingly vital to reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. Transitioning from fossil fuels requires infrastructure development, policy support, and public awareness to ensure sustainable growth while preserving natural habitats and creating jobs in emerging green industries worldwide.
Horses have been companions to humans for thousands of years, serving as transportation, work partners, and symbols of freedom. Their intelligence, strength, and sensitivity allow them to form deep bonds with riders, while equestrian sports continue to celebrate their grace and agility across many cultures worldwide.
Space exploration has opened new frontiers for science and technology by enabling humans to study distant planets, search for extraterrestrial life, and develop innovations like satellite communications. Continuing investments in space missions inspire curiosity, international collaboration, and advances that can solve earthly challenges such as climate monitoring and resource management.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.